You clicked this video because you want to draw like your idol, or you're a huge samdoesarts fan like me and want to draw just like him. Samdoesarts is like the Picasso of our generation, mixing bold lines, vibrant colors, and surreal scenes. It's like looking at a daydream on paper. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can copy Sam's work and make it your own. Note that copying is a great way to improve and make your art not look bad, but you have to credit the artist you're copying from or referencing from. If you're gonna copy, you might as well give the original artists some credit. Note that this takes time. You won't be drawing like Sam from the get-go. My first tries to replicate Sam's drawings were, let's just say they were so bad my dog refused to accept them. Let's begin with the step-by-step process now. Firstly, you pick one of Sam's work that you like. Note that Sam always has beautiful artworks that can be great references for your drawings. Secondly, you need to know what you're drawing or what you want your drawing to look like. This helps you get a better picture of your end product. Now draw the sketch by referencing Sam's drawing and selected drawing you want it to look like. Once you've sketched it, don't worry if it does not look like Sam's work because it isn't his, it's your artwork. When you draw it, it's going to look really different. Now that you've made the sketch, you are ready to color it. You need to pay attention to the way Sam colors his drawings. They're so vibrant and full of energy. If you're not great at identifying colors just like me, then I'd recommend you use the color picking tool and tweak the color a bit when coloring. What I do is copy Sam's drawings but add my own twist into it, but it's really hard to explain what exactly I am doing other than just copying Sam because I'm super lazy and don't know what I'm really doing. You can tell, because I'm using an AI voice for this video, this shows how lazy I am. Personally, I feel this is a great way to learn from your art idol because it more or less makes your artworks look just like his. For example, when I draw something, I make sure to refer Sam's work and try to implement his quirks in my own artwork. I know a lot of people will be mad or angry that I do this, but my main art goal is to have an art style similar to Sam. I may not be that good at replicating it, but I'm improving slowly, implementing Sam's quirks slowly. Here are some more artworks that I'd like to show y'all that I drew by referring to Sam's drawings. If you want to get better without copying Sam, then I'd recommend you join his Patreon where he posts his art process, tutorials, and brushes. I use Sam's brushes when I draw my artworks. The round brush and his flat brushes are really good choices because they're just nice. Being consistent, studying the art style, and practicing are the key things you need to do. I know a lot of y'all are lazy to do any of these, so practicing by tracing is also a method to get better. But remember, if you post that traced artwork of yours, give credit to the original artists. Us artists hate two things: stealing art without giving credit and AI artists. Well, anyways, if anything, I hope this video was helpful, even though I doubt it will be. Let me know your thoughts and if I should make tutorials and stuff. Subscribe if you want to see more. Follow me on Instagram and DM me if you want an art commission from me, and I'll see you guys next time.